What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So guys, today's gonna be a pretty chill day, which is nice. So I'm not wearing my usual beat up hoodie. Today we're gonna be doing a few miscellaneous things on some of the cars. I wanna show you guys a couple cool things actually. One thing in particular, a lot of you guys, if you have a modified car, should get this. It's something that I knew about, but I was trying to find a good version of it. But my friend Mike, aka Slow Speed, showed me one and I was like, oh, that's perfect. So I wanted to show it to you guys. Also, we have a few other miscellaneous things for the Supra that I couldn't really fit into another video. So we're just gonna do it all today. Also, for those of you who are wondering where the M3 is, because I have the X5 and the Supra, I actually tucked it away. So I decided to put it in the courtyard as the sun shines right in my face. So it's gonna stay over here for probably the remainder of the winter. As you guys know, this thing does have summer tires. So in this freezing cold, it's probably not the smartest idea to drive this car. So we're gonna leave it here for a little while. Probably not gonna drive it much until it gets a little nicer out. Also, because everyone seems to ask me, because there's always new people to this channel, people are like, why don't you just put it in your garage? Well, again guys, this is my garage. My garage is my home gym. So it's not gonna be in here. This is where I work out. Anyways, I wanna show you guys that cool thing. And I actually left it inside my home gym. And that is this right over here. So these are windshield static stickers. Basically, a film that can attach to your windshield just using static. It's not gonna be permanent, it's easy to remove. So if you guys have a front tinted windshield and you're in New York or another place where you're required to put some of these stickers, you can put the sticker on this and then stick this onto your windshield and have it be able to easily come on and off. So in New York, you have to stick on your inspection as well as your registration. And I've been so scared to stick on the registration because I didn't want to mess up that front windshield tint. It's pretty expensive tint. It's XPEL ceramic window tint. Again, huge shout out to my friend Auto Images. If you guys are in New York and you want window tints, I'll leave his information. He actually just did the Supra. If you guys didn't catch that video, we did 20% ceramic XPEL window tints. Not on the front windshield on this one, but we did do the side windows, this window, and the rear windshield. So we finally got rid of the ghetto window tint that was on this thing. But regardless, I'm still gonna use these static stickers for the front windshield of this one, even though it doesn't have window tint, because it's just gonna make my life easier. Anyways, I'm gonna open this up. I'll show you guys how it works. It's pretty easy. It's pretty simple. Now, mind you, this isn't gonna be the only thing we're doing in today's video. I'm gonna be doing a whole bunch of miscellaneous stuff, but I wanted to put this one towards the front because I think a lot of you guys are gonna like this. Now, if I can quickly show you guys how this is gonna work, if you can tell, this will stick just using static. Now, obviously this is clear. This right here is just a film on it, so you just peel back this white thing, you stick on your registration or whatever it is, like I just did. Now mind you guys, I did a pretty bad job. Do a better job than me. I completely missed it. It was kind of hard to see, it's hard to reach to, so I would suggest doing it off the windshield first and then doing it if I can do anything better. Regardless guys, it is super easy, super simple to use. Just don't be an idiot like I was and do it the right way. That's why I did the Supra first, honestly, because if there's a car I'm gonna mess up, it's gonna be the Supra, and then I'll do it right on the M3. So yeah, and if you guys want this, there'll be some links down in the description below. It makes your life a little easier, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Just thought I'd share that with you guys. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna show you guys is a mod, actually. This is from Keys Motorsports. They sent it out to me. I didn't know what video to put this in because I kind of already did a whole video about it before, so I'm not gonna do a whole video about it again. But if you guys haven't seen, they made this really cool bag. I'm just kidding, it's more than a bag, but it is a really cool bag. You guys can't lie, look at that. I should get some marbles just to put them inside this bag. But anyways, it's actually this aluminum, billet aluminum hood latch. It says Keys right over there, has the classic 10 mil wrench right on the edge. If you guys saw, I did this on my M3 a little while back. This thing is awesome. It just makes it feel so much more like high quality than your cheap plastic one. Is it the most necessary mod? Obviously not, but it's a cool one. So regardless, we're gonna do it on the Supra, especially since I'm always going inside the engine bay. So to install this mod, guys, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is remove your current one, which just attaches on with a clip in the back. So I would suggest getting a small flathead like this. Then you're gonna take your small flathead and you're gonna grab underneath here, and you're gonna pull this away, and then this whole thing should come out just like that. Now to put on the new one, all you gotta do is just, that's it. Definitely a nice upgrade from the original plastic one. You get the Keys logo, and then you also get that 10 mil which will come in handy, especially for your battery. But since we have the hood open anyways, when I was testing it out, if you guys haven't been following the channel, we already did a good amount to this car. We have the Keys charge pipe, we have the MST intake, we have the air inlet, and then we also have the MST catted downpipe. So we're moving pretty quickly on this Supra, which is pretty cool. We also have H&R lowering springs, and we have some key spacers as well. But this is one more mod we can get to check off. The next thing we're gonna do is try to get a front license plate on this thing, because I've been driving this car a lot, and although I park in my driveway and no one can give me a ticket in here, one, obviously on the road you can get a ticket, and then also when you're parked on the street, they can technically give you a ticket. It's like a $100 ticket. So we need to find a way to get a front license plate on this thing. Here it is, guys. I found it. If you don't know what this is a Stow & Show license plate holder. I'll show you guys how this works. I'm really curious to see if we can find a good spot for this thing on the front end of the Supra. I'm thinking maybe like right over here or something. Maybe actually the other way, like maybe like that, or we could do like that, which I'm actually thinking that might be the move. Guys, look, the Keys hood latch is already coming in handy. I'm putting on the license plate on the Stow & Show, and it's a screwdriver and then also a 10 mil bolt or nut on the back. Obviously I have my tools, but you know, I'm just gonna use this, put that right there to hold it in, and then tighten it down with the screwdriver. I didn't even plan that out. I didn't even expect this to be a 10 mil, but hey, it's already showing its worth. Let this be known, this is the reason why us car people hate front license plates. Not because we don't want to follow the law or anything like that, it's because they're so ugly. Cars are designed to have a license plate on the rear and it's like integrated, whereas the front, they're always just plopped on. Even the X5, like it's just plopped on there. This doesn't look great, guys. I didn't want to put on the bottom here because I was kind of worried. You know, obviously there's no spoiler. You guys knew I was gonna get a front lip at some point. I'm gonna get a front lip, so I can't put it underneath here. So my only other real option was to put it up here, and this just looks absolutely horrible. It functions well, but it looks so ugly. We'll probably try a tow hook one, and we'll see if that triggers any of the sensors. By the way, speaking of the sensors, I did confirm it's not triggering any of the sensors, which is good, because back in the F30 days, when I'd have the tow hook one, it would always be triggering the front sensors when I used the tow hook, and it was just so annoying. That's why I went with the Stow & Show. But look at this. If I press on the sensor, you guys will see it's detecting nothing in the front. The stuff that it is detecting, it's because of that over there and then some stuff on the left, but it's not detecting anything in the front center. So this isn't messing with the sensors, which is at least good. So it functions well, but yeah, it looks really ugly. It is what it is, guys. We're gonna leave it for now, and eventually we'll figure out another way. I just don't wanna get like a $100 ticket for no front license plate. It's just absolutely not necessary, so we at least have something on. But for right now, I'm going to take this thing off. If you guys didn't know, Stow & Shows are super nice like that. Let me see if I can put you on my knee. Pause. My knee is literally my tripod right now, but look at this. You can easily take it off. Oh, almost lost the camera. Now, yeah, obviously you still have this piece, which is not ideal, especially where it's located on the bumper. I couldn't really tuck it away more. On the F30, it's more hidden. This one, it's like right in your face, but I mean, it's better than the license plate being there, I guess. Like, you can definitely still see it there, but you know, it is what it is. It's better than getting a ticket, I guess. The last thing I'll say is, because I know people are gonna be like, well, it's hitting your front bumper, it's hitting your front bumper. I had that same issue on the F30, so back in the day, I actually put some 3M tape that then like dried out. So this is what's gonna hit the bumper. This like softer 3M tape. It's not gonna be the actual metal, so it's not gonna scratch the bumper. It is what it is, guys. It's not ideal, but we'll figure out another solution later on. But for now, and we'll have it looking like, I don't even know what that is. It's just ugly. All right, that's pretty much it, guys. There's still a few more things I have to do, but I've already been out here long enough and I have to go inside and eat because I'm starving. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick video. Just a few things here and there, you know, that I figured I still want to show with you guys, but they're not worth their own individual videos. So I just kind of lumped them all into one. Figured that way we could keep it a little more fast-paced instead of making an 8-minute video on a simple thing. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, you already know what to do. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and yeah, with that said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.